to be playing Shut Up video. Escape Grandma's house.
Yeah.
You are a creepy lady. Shut up! This is so hard. I was talking to the grandma, Mom. Chill. So I played Escape Grandpa. God, that cookie disappeared. Ma. I just got confused. Shut up, old lady. Oh, really? How did I know that? The first thing I clicked. I've never played this one. Or is it just because, like, mostly it's the pictures? Where is it? I'm gonna follow the. Follow the red. Mine. Ooh! Can you move? I was gonna say if I'm back in that room again. Oh, Mom, I need to show you a picture later. I need to show you later a picture. I showed someone last night. I'm not gonna say any names, but oh man, she almost threw up. That is disgusting. Though. My phone is turning on. Dang. Go up the wall, honey. Wait. Go up the wall. Did I go up the wall? If this was my grandma, I would have done move. Wait, what the heck? What? They have blades in their house, Mom, that goes across their floor. That's weird. You're weirder. Hello. Hey. See, that's what happens when my phone goes dead for a long time. Oh my god. Shut up. I'm not starting streets with you.
Look how much water there is.
Drown your villagers. No, no, no.
This is a water mountain. She taught me that she ate me by the fountain. Then I stabbed her butt and she said, she taught me.
Ew. Ew, I can't hold my phone. What the Davy Jones locker is that?
Oh, God, that is really close to our village.
Throw it away. Do you have your phone yet? Stop. Literally, you're getting on my nerves. This is not even.
Oh, God. I forgot he was in his back.
It's a meme, Mom. You like this meme. Found it on Instagram for you. Oof, it's sent. I sent it on Messenger. I screenshotted it last night. Wait, I should have looked at the time. I wasn't up late last night. Tyler was up till 3 o'clock in the morning. Bull crap.
She knows.
How does she know? Oh, you don't check on me? So you don't check on me? Because I got up to the shut up.
I got to pee in my
How did I guess this first two? I was like, oof, 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 oof. Noof. Oopsie poopsie, my poopsie. That doesn't make sense.
Although they just got off my boat.
He's killing your villagers. Bub. Hey, Bub. Spawn some villagers and hit them. Spawn a villager and hit them. And make her. Yee! Make me. They ain't your villagers either. I don't see your name written on them.
See my butthole written wrong.
Oof. Hey! She just looks at me through the wall. No! Oh, that does not look safe in there. Girl, you got some.
Boom!
What?
That's William.
Didn't
Oh,
quite
what?
hear what you said to William.
I said, Tyler said, girl, you got some boobs. And then I said, that don't
I
look
think that
good
was
up
you.
in there. I said, that don't look good up in there.
It sounded like.
Watch the video.
Look!
Okay. Don't even touch me. What are you doing?
Now,
Oh.
mini peppers.
That stinks. Girl, your hands, you need to go wash them.
Oh, that's not up
After we find
Ho now.
Can I play one up?
Go ahead and play.
I don't want to.
Seriously.
It's disgusting. This is nasty.
Why don't you play for a little while? That way Daddy can watch some TV.
Look at the
this afternoon.
look at the
Maybe, play
my
some-
dad. Look at the picture I sent you.
Look how weird this is, Mom. This wall's great.
Look at the picture now.
Chilly. It's almost 5. Why don't you play till about...
Look! I think that's the base of it. I think it's a fallen tree.
Oh, that makes sense. Okay. Why don't you play till about... It's almost 5. It's 4:30. Why don't you play till about 6:30, 7:30?
Are you too lazy? Oh, never mind. It's too far away from me too. Apparently.
Where is it?
Right. Right.
Don't you think you need
I
to-
Left.
think I say.
Left.
I think I need to say.
Them dirty pigs. Dirty pigs.
Okay.
Right. Right. Left. Right. These are like blood cells. If you just backhand me, I will smack you across the face. She's like, gonna do it. She just looked at me.
I got real dry, so I kept them open. Daddy,
It's okay. I was like.
I'll shoot you.
The frick, woman, I'm recording. You're threatening your own son.
I was talking to the game, Shelly.
Oh,
Totally.
don't even call me that. Don't even say my name
Okay,
either.
you wanna hold him? Oh, wait, is he
Mom.
alive?
Mom, Mom, look.
that for me? No, fuck you.
I can't breathe.
Get!
Beat your butt in a minute.
I swear she's gonna beat me.
Hey, bud. That's it.
You know, I like big booty.
Okay, let's just do this with G.
On the butt.
Okay then. Well, I guess that's all for today.
What occurred?
Well, I might record this. Have a good day or whatever. And I don't even know. Just bye,
This
guys.
woman has some
Work.
sort of disease in her brain.
Oh, yep. Let's just let my thingy be stupid. There we go. Okay, bye.